What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something I've been wanting to test for a long time. On one side, I've got the official LEGO UCS AT-ST walker. On the other side, I've got what claims to be an exact one-to-one clone purchased from AliExpress for a fraction of the price. The big question is simple. Can a cheap clone really match LEGO quality, or are you getting exactly what you pay for? We're going to compare everything, including packaging, parts quality, build experience, minifigures, accuracy, and overall value. Let's get into it. First up, price. The genuine LEGO UCS AT-ST retails for around $200 and includes 1,513 pieces. The AliExpress version cost me roughly $25 to $60 depending on your location. I paid $28 for this one. So right away, we're looking at a massive difference. You could literally buy 7 clone versions for the price of one official LEGO set. But as we all know, price isn't everything. Starting with the packaging, the LEGO version arrives exactly how you'd expect. Premium box art, numbered bags, high-quality instructions, and everything feels premium. The AliExpress version is just bags within bags. No fancy presentation, no box, and no logo. For some people, that won't matter because the box gets thrown away anyway. Now let's talk about the actual build. This is where LEGO earns its reputation. The UCS AT-ST uses some really clever building techniques and has a surprisingly sturdy internal structure. Reviewers have praised the engineering and detailed construction throughout the model. Building the official version feels smooth. The clutch power is consistent. Pieces fit exactly how they should. LEGO instructions are familiar. You get that clean design and step-by-step clarity that LEGO has refined over decades. The AliExpress version is printed on low-quality paper and is much smaller than LEGO's. However, they do the job. Building the AliExpress clone was actually better than I expected. Most of the parts connected properly and visually looked similar to LEGO. However, there were definitely moments where quality control became noticeable. Some pieces were tighter than normal, others were slightly loose, and occasionally some pieces wouldn't align. Overall, the LEGO build feels more refined, but the clone wasn't the disaster I was expecting. Looking closely at the bricks themselves, the differences start becoming more noticeable. LEGO pieces have a more consistent finish and color matching. The plastic feels slightly denser and more premium. With the AliExpress version, you can see the gray is shiny and a bit duller. For a display model sitting on a shelf, most people would never notice. But for serious LEGO collectors, the difference is definitely there. Now let's look at the ATST driver minifigure. The official LEGO figure has sharper printing and cleaner details. You can see the helmet design is different. The color of the headpiece is also different. Apart from slight differences in the printing, the torso and legs are almost identical. When fully assembled, both models look incredibly similar. The UCS AT-ST captures the iconic Return of the Jedi design with a rotating head, detailed cockpit, adjustable cannons, and excellent surface detailing. LEGO reviewers have praised the overall level of detail, while also noting that the walker's proportions aren't perfect, particularly around the feet and legs. From a display distance, most people genuinely couldn't tell which one is official and which one is the clone. That's honestly one of the biggest surprises. This is probably the biggest gamble with AliExpress sets. With LEGO, you're paying for consistency. If something is missing, customer service usually takes care of it. With clone brands, experiences vary dramatically. Some builders report 0 missing pieces and excellent quality. Others have reported missing critical Technic components, which halted the build entirely until replacement parts arrived. Lucky for me, I only had one missing piece for this set, so while you save a lot of money, you're also accepting a little more risk. This is where things get interesting. If you're purely looking for a display model and don't care about collecting official LEGO, the AliExpress version is honestly hard to ignore. For roughly 1/7 of the price, you're getting something that looks incredibly similar on the shelf. But if you value official LEGO quality, consistent clutch power, collector value, resale potential, and brand loyalty, then the genuine LEGO version still justifies its higher price. So which one would I choose? If you're a hardcore LEGO collector, the official UCS AT-ST is still the better product. The build experience is smoother, the quality is more consistent, and there's something satisfying about owning the genuine set. But if you're a Star Wars fan on a budget and simply want an awesome ATST display piece, the AliExpress clone is surprisingly impressive. It's not perfect, it's not LEGO, but it's a lot closer than many people would expect. Let me know in the comments, would you pay full price for the official LEGO version, or would you save the money and go with the clone? If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.